Hey guys, we're here at Disneyland today. Today we're gonna do a pin trading day. It's a day that we wanted to do for a while now. We just haven't done it. So today we're just gonna be pin trading and probably doing some eating like we always do.
Yeah, showing you guys our favorite spots to do some pin trading, both here and at downtown Disney and the hotels. So come along with us and let's see what kind of pins we can get.
Yeah. Our first stop for today is going to be at Carnation Cafe, where we're gonna get some lunch.
So here at the Carnation Cafe, we got the patty melt. So we got the peach pie a la mode. And we got the brownie a la mode. So we're gonna check them out now and we will let you know what we think of them. So our grand total for everything was $35.88. And that is with our AP discount.
Okay, so do not sleep on the peach pie at the Carnation Cafe. It was amazing. It was so good, so sweet. So homemade tasting, that's really good.
Yeah, and the patty melt was pretty good. The brownie a la mode I thought was pretty good. It wasn't too bad for like as far as like vegan options go. It was pretty good. Now we're just gonna do our pin trading stuff.
Okay, so if you've never pin traded before, it's pretty easy. There aren't very many rules. It's free to do as long as you have Disney pins to trade. And it's a fun way to spend some time at Disney. Okay, for pin trading, something we wanted to show you guys is that you will find pins on the board that are not official Disney pins, and the way you can differentiate between the two are on the back of the pins. On the back of the official Disney pin trading pins, you'll have a little stamp or a little emblem on there that says Disney pin trading. Those pins are official Disney pin trading pins, but you'll come across pins on the board that are not official, like I did today. Okay, so these are two pins that we traded for today. This first pin is not an official Disney pin trading pin, and the reason why I know that is because the back doesn't say that it is. So this little emblem right there is the Disney pin trading little stamp of approval. Also, the Disney pin trading pins have the little Mickeys on the back, like this one does not here. I like these little baby ones. I like the baby trap. That's really cool.
That is cool.
So if you purchase these, and then if you don't like the pin that you got in there, you can trade for what's in the case. But you do have to buy these and trade the same day. You can't come back.
Another kind of pin that they have that's not like a normal kind of pin are these giant jumbo fig pins. They're all pretty big, they're all different, and they're really big. They're about the size of my hand.
So these pins typically you wouldn't find on the board. These are pins that you would trade with another private party, and you can walk up to people who have pins and see if they want to trade with you. And the rules for that is your pin should be about the same value as the one you're trading for. So obviously when you're trading with a private party, if they don't want to trade, they don't have to. So it's also up to them as well, if they see the value in trading with the pin you have. So we decided to sit and wait for the parade since we'd never seen it. It is the 6:30 showing, so it should start any minute now.
Yeah. I'm over here from across from the Matterhorn to provide the Alice in Wonderland bathrooms, and I don't think it's the greatest spot, so hopefully the footage is good.
Pretty sparse, huh?
Yeah, but I'll trade for that Donald hat then.
So we're gonna trade a Ariel for this Donald hat. Okay, ready?
Perfect. So we each pick two, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to pick two first?
Sure, I'll pick 23 and 7.
It's 23 and 7. Let's see, can I do 20? Ooh, that's a good one. And how about 13?
For the fat one.
Those are pretty cool.
I guess I'll trade for the little stitch. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So on certain days of the week, they have like a little pin trading meetup right here out in Frontierland on the benches. And you can come and pin trade with people, just regular people that are pin traders. So it's kind of fun.
Another one of our favorite spots here in Tomorrowland is Tomorrowlanding, and this is where they have like a giant pin station. So they do bin trading, and they also have collections and mystery pins you can do here too. Something they have here that's really cool too is like if you do the mystery collections and you're just missing a pin, you can do pin trading for these pins in the back that are also part of the mystery collections.
The menu.
Yeah, it's cool. I like the little Grogu. The Woody one's cool.
I like the Jumbo. How predictable, huh?
No. I'm still looking for either a love or
We have mailboxes now.
Yeah, those are cool.
We have Timothy Mouse. Suitcases. That's so cute, I like that.
That is cool. Another place we always come to get pins and to pin trade is here at Autopia Winner's Circle. It's directly over here by Autopia and the train station. They do have a pin board in the back. Sometimes they have it hidden, so you have to ask if you want to pin trade here. But this is always somewhere that we go and pin trade before we go on the train. Oh, cool.
The little entrance here.
Yeah, I think I have him though.
Now we're gonna take the monorail down to downtown Disney and do some pin trading at downtown Disney as well as at the Grand Californian. Inside the Grand Californian, I think there are only 2 pin trading boards that we're aware of. If there are more, please let us know. But there is one at the gift shop and there is one outside at the valet. That's a cute one Minnie's got.
One of our favorite spots to pin trade is out here at downtown Disney. We go here to Pin Traders. It's right here, right by the monorail station where you get on and off. And they have a pin board. They also have pins you can buy as well as the lanyards. They also have mini ears and magic bands.
All of them?
Sure, good.
Like, our pins are originally free.
And now we're gonna take the monorail back into Disneyland. Okay guys, so it's getting late and cold. So I think we're gonna be done pin trading for today.
Yeah, but we're thinking about doing a pin trading video part 2 for just the stuff that we like at California Adventure. So let us know if that's something you guys are interested in.
Yeah, and let us know if you guys like the pin trading videos. Like I said earlier, we have been wanting to do this for a while. It's just, we just are getting around to it now. So if it's something that you guys like, we'll definitely do more of it in the future because we always pin trade when we come here. We just don't always film it, so.
Yeah, and to be fair for all the context, we didn't really see a whole lot of pins that we liked today, so we didn't trade that much stuff. So yeah, it's kind of hit or miss depending on the day, but let us know what you guys think. So thanks for coming along with us. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and
we'll
see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.